What's up, y'all? SCS and we back with another one. Gotta get my battery off the charge for the blue box Chevy. Man, let me tell y'all, bro. I ran out of gas in the damn car. Messing with that tank. Look, I put $20 in there. I forgot, like, we ain't in the $2, whatever a gallon. I put $20 in the tank, right? And I drove for about 10 minutes. And the next day I put $20 in, I probably drove for 20 minutes. This was like over a month and a half ago. But the car been sitting ever since. But it ran out of gas, I think. Or it was an issue with the tank. But all of this could have been mitigated if I would have just put the factory tank back in like I said I was gonna do. But Amazon lost it. And they actually sent it to me. And they had already sent me a refund. I still just returned it though, because I didn't want them to like dock my account. I'd be getting points and rewards and all that. So I sent it back to them. But I'm gonna end up ordering it again, man. So the goddamn thing ran out of gas. And when I was on the side of the road, it stopped right in front of the gas station. I bought a gas can, I'm going back and forth, till it started. Somebody pulled on the side of me. I'm like, he finna say, do you need help? Somebody else pulled on the side of me too, and he helped me push it to the turn lane. But this dude was like, you wanna sell it? I'm like, man, y'all get the fuck out of here. Disrespectful as hell. But I'm about to put this boy down in front of the shop. Now that I got that fresh pad I was telling y'all about, I could do the what is it I'm trying to do carpet and stuff. That's why I ain't put the carpet in this car. Look at this shit. I'm finna stop it at $50. Look at this shit. This is $50 worth of fuel. Damn! That is crazy, bro. That is crazy. This ain't never $50. That's 10. That's two, maybe 3. $13 of gas, $50. Man, I remember the gas was $4.99. That's when I first started driving. This coming back around. That shit is crazy. Shit crazy, bro. I remember I used to put $10 in my car, 2.5 gallons, so they give me the schooling back. And shit, if I had clients who I had to cut, and I ain't had no money, I used to jump on my bike. I remember them days. It's coming back around, bro. That's crazy. That was like 10 years ago. I was 17. I'm 28 now. So. Damn, that's crazy, boy. Now I got a push button now. I'm fancy. Man, that's $50 though. That is crazy. I'm mind blown right now. I ain't even finna cap to y'all. I need a car wash too. But let's go to the parts store. Alright, man, I had to ride into the corporate.
Turn left into the parking lot, then arrive at your destination.
They ain't had a pump in the store. Man, I found out, man, I'm more of an O'Reilly's person now. I used to be an AutoZone person, but the amount of junkies and
arrived.
All the big shops they deal with, man, it's usually the same price at O'Reilly's, and I'm in and out faster. O'Reilly's never really played that working in the parking lot thing and all the people soliciting it. So I just found myself going to O'Reilly's a whole lot more. So I know I ain't the only person. I want to see what y'all saying too. And they usually like a mile apart all the time. So it just happened to work out. But let me go ahead and get this pump. I'll put it on my car. And hopefully be done with my car by 12 so I can jump on that red box Chevy and do those gauges too. I'm gonna be a bad man if I can do 2 in one day. I remember I couldn't do 1 in shit 3 days. But getting faster, definitely. See, man, that's what I'm talking about. I was just in and out in less than 1 minute. I swear to God. Like, you thought I was making it up. It's about like O'Reilly's now, man. AutoZone warehouse too, man. It's like 20 minutes, and there's like 12 minutes. So it all works out. Yeah, I'm about to go pull that car out, put it in the driveway, replace the fuel pump, which more than likely I'm sure that's it. 'Cause, yeah, pretty simple system as far as diagnosing. No start with gas, don't start without it.
I gave her to you, she started.
The fuel pump went out, I think. Girl.
Ain't no girl. I can't trust you.
Man, go. Let's get this mug down the driveway.
You roll over that window.
Yeah, it better need charge now.
Can't believe you did it.
Man, go.
Look at what you did.
Y'all know I don't do no mechanical work, but doing some mechanical work. I think it was the fuel pump. The spring for it. Y'all probably can't see it, but it should be a spring under here. But it look like it's a spring jammed up in the top, like in here. I don't know. I never took this one apart, so I don't know how it looks. This one got a spring right here, and it still moves. This one's like locked. Don't go up or down. That's all I get. I don't know if that's enough to pump the fuel, but I don't know. It ain't moving as much as this one. And I can see everything right here. Like I said, y'all probably can't see, but it's a little like the whole like assembly is jammed. It don't move, so I'm guessing that's what it was. We'll find out in a second though. The rod looked like it was all in the down position, like it done slipped past that or something. I don't know. But I put a nut in it to try to stop it from moving. I don't know if it worked or not. Alright, man, so I ended up taking the whole plate off and then cleaning the gunk out and then pushing the rod up myself. I put some grease in it so it'll hold for a couple seconds while I'm able to stick the fuel pump back down on it. And I'm hoping that I can just tighten everything back up and put it on quick. But start getting y'all that quick info. Alright, man, I was getting glunks and grease here. Well, I ended up putting some cardboard under there. I don't really like all that grease and oil stains and stuff. So got the fuel pump on completely, got the new gasket on. Man, the top of this engine look crazy. I ain't never really noticed it because the cover was on, but man, like I said, a lot of that stuff coming out, so I ain't worried about it right now. Oh, now we put some gas in this can and we gonna see if the bad boy start. Battery charged up a little bit. Just drop a little bit in there, see what we get. My hands ain't been like this in months, probably close to half a year. And I'll be trying to stay away from this stuff. Pretty sure that's what it was. Yeah. Fuel pump went out. Yeah, that's definitely what it was. That's crazy. First issue on this motor ever. I'm gonna pull it up the driveway and pressure wash the motor. We got dirt and all kinds of stuff up in there. And my Volt's dirty as hell, so can't have that. Now that I got the concrete pad, I can clean this stuff off. But I'm about to clean it off, go wash up, Or wash my hands and then I'm gonna start on the gauge. It's crazy that was wrong with this motor. Fuel pump went out. Hey, so I've been moving so fast, man. Everything been going smooth. The sun ain't beaming on me. Give me some water. I got my dash out for about 10 minutes. I told you I was 2 bolts, then cable. So since it's already installed, I don't have to go under the hood. I don't have to go rip nothing apart. All I gotta do is change modules, which I'm finna drop a picture of how I did it. So it's so easy. This one, oh yeah, same thing on the same side. It's pretty cool. Adjust, boom, boom, boom. I gotta wire that. No, yeah. So what is? Yeah, this goes here, and the other one go there. All right, okay, makes sense. I know they say men don't read the instructions, but before I even hard mount all this stuff, I'm gonna test it out and make sure everything working like it should. It's my second time doing an HDX. I did plenty of VHX. First HDX was in my car. That don't. But yeah, we about to have a black HDX in this boy. In his back, run it. Stop. What? Hold on. What? Stop that. All right, now though. Let me go ahead and get all this back working. Cut y'all back on in a second. Man, let's see something. God damn. Yeah, I got the e-brake on. Oh yeah, I gotta do the fuel real quick. I was trying to see something. Oh yeah, I gotta set the lights. What color is it right now? No color. I'm finna see if I program it the same way. I don't know. I'm about to see. Yeah, I gotta calibrate the fuel. Give me a second. Just for shits and giggles, I put 120,000 miles. X is set up. All right, I'm about to connect the fuel. Oh shoot! Let me make sure the temp is it's not bust. Oil ain't bust. Oh, the temp is working, so never mind. The oil should work when I start the car. Tach working. I'm gonna have to turn the idle up on the car. Play with it a little bit. I just put that pump on, so yeah. I'm about to redo my fuel. I set it up the way they suggested you do it in the menu, but it's basically a bunch of extra wiring, which I don't want. So I'm about to undo what I did, what they recommend I did, because it really ain't needed. Since I did that, I done did probably about 10 gauges the way that I like to do it, which is not run 2 other separate wires in. I haven't had a single issue, so I'm gonna do what I like to do, only because it's cleaner. Look, a whole other 2 wires running all the way through my car. Go in the trunk and take it loose, and then run my fuel, then connect everything back. All right, look, the ones in the dump, this CO box, and your car, they all do this. All right, I'm gonna set up, right? I'm about to scan for it. All right, stop, sit back. Boom. All right, set up. Oh damn, I messed up. All right, man, set up. Boom. looking? You see the lights? We're gonna change it to blue.
Ooh.
Blue, another blue. Dark blue. Alright. I'll change the needles to white. We're gonna keep this green blue to white. Boom.
That is so cool.
What that is? The words, gonna change them to white. That to white, cast iron.
What?
White. We actually could change this to like, change this to,
No.
to white and then needles to blue. Everything else to blue.
Now this is cool. This is cool. Can you change to yellow?
Look, this is all the colors. This is all the colors.
Wow.
Yellow, orange,
Red.
purple, pink,
Oh, I'm about to have a ball.
salmon, candy store.
Oh. This is so freaking cool. Wow. Oh, yay.
Yeah,
This is so
what you
cool.
had over a year ago. Stop! And she gonna break that. Boy.
Oh, this the ugly thing that I ain't like. It's cool now.
Yeah.
Now that they do this.
They do a lot. Well, shoot, when I first seen it, I was like,
This is so freaking cool. You can literally change the,
change the brightness and everything.
like, what? Wow. Yeah, don't play with your girl. The Chevelle about to be lit, y'all. Literally. Period. Oh, wow. But I'm finna be back in that action.
Yeah, we about to bust that mug down.
Oh.
Why you just hit me?
Oh. Y'all, my Chevelle finna be so cute. Did he tell y'all I changed my color? I'm going the peanut butter inside with the black outside now.
Yeah, just say, look, boom, saving to instrument.
This is so freaking cool. Is that an app?
Cut it off. Yeah, it's out. Alright, man. Y'all seen this piece I put in here a little minute ago. It definitely make a huge difference. Y'all hit box everywhere. But anyway, giving y'all a nighttime view of my gauges. I thought I was gonna be a bad man today and get the other ones done in that other car, but like I said, I ended up taking my daughter to that park, so it ended up not happening. And then I had to bench test some gauges, like 2-3 gauges set. 2 gauge sets, yeah, bench test them. One by one, you gotta, it's a whole bunch of stuff that I do to bench test, so I don't have to put it in the car. But I had to do that too, so gonna be a bad man today. It's the opportunity gonna present again, and I'm gonna knock it out. But it's the daylight setup. And then I'll just turn the lights off, and then my night setup come on. Yes, sir. And then I charge the battery, so it's good now. Yep. I'm trying to see where the keys at off what I'm watching on the phone, so. But yeah, man, you get a lot of different color options with these. Bluetooth work with them. It's a bunch of good stuff